The only way we are unique is by the Tauvala, because we're the only culture that wears Tauvala, and no other culture wears Tauvala. Io koia pe malo.
Thank you very much. Miss Brilliant Star Naomi Fotofili. Calling on Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Cecilia Viliamu. Ladies, please get ready. When you know your number, I'll call and you should be on stage right then. Miss Cecilia Viliamu. Miss Tui Tui Fashion. Your presentation on Monday was on technology. Your question for this evening? Technology at first was an advantage. Now everyone blames technology for many things. How could we find the balance?
Thank you for the question. I believe that people are misusing technology. Like, there's good things that we can use technology for, as in for education and other stuff, but people are misusing it, putting out their personal lives on social media, leading to people who end up hacking their pages and giving it out to more people who don't really need to see personal stuff. Kaya pe malo.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Cecilia Viliamu. Welcome on stage, Miss Ha'ano, Miss Manu Ma'ake. Can I also please have the microphone back? Ms. Ha'ano, you presented on gender equality on Monday. What is an area in Tonga that equality needs to be reviewed and given attention, and why?
Thank you for the question. I think there's not just a single area that needs to be, that we need to raise awareness for gender equality. I think that all of Tonga needs to know more about gender equality, is that it is important for young ones, the youth especially, for our teachers, families, and especially students to be educated about gender equality, is that they need to grow up in a world where they shouldn't believe that only men can run their country. Rather, they can also run the country together with men. As like Parliament here, kids nowadays, they believe that only men can run this world. But I believe that kids should believe and have the rights, same rights and responsibilities as men do, especially here in Tonga. Malo.
Thank you very much, Ms. Ha'ano. Paspasi mai man ma'ake, Ms. Ha'ano. Our next contestant, Ms. Whangai Lupe, Tonga, Australia, Luciani Akau Ola. Luciane, your question this evening, you presented on environment on Monday, yes? And your question this evening, what's your view of Tongans and how they react to taking care of our environment?
First and foremost, I'd like to give thanks to the man above for being able to stand here before you. Back to the question. Can you just repeat the question, please?
Your question is, what is your view of how Tongans, their view of the environment and how we relate to the environment, Tongans?
Tonga's environment at the moment is not at its greatest. As you can see around us, people in Tonga are still burning a lot of rubbish, and they are like eliminating farms and stuff in that, which is falls under deforestation, and that kind of makes that the huge environmental issue here in Tonga. And us as Tongans, me as a Tongan overseas, can't help Tonga unless Tonga helps themselves. So Tonga has to be able to show love for their country first before others can help. So I feel that Tonga has a lot of improvement with needs a lot of improvement with its environment, and there's a lot of Tongans outside like the world that can be able to help. But koe pe malo.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Miss Australia, Luciana Kaola. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Havelu Rugby, Tensia Fawese Po'oi. Miss Havelu Rugby, Tensia, na whahokofoko presentation he ahamonite o whigau akin mai whiliuliwaki ko ia ea. Koe hanai hawakai ki ngahi man-made effects pe koe ngahi wesi a kovi ko ia whahokpe he tangata i whiliuliwaki a ea i tongani mo hatau ngahi ngau e whiema o ke whakalakalakai.
Could you please go ahead?
Ko presentation fo ke whiliuliwaki a ea koe hanai hawakai ke ngahi man-made effects pe koe ngahi human effects i he whiliuliwaki a ea o whakahoko pe he kakai tongani pe amoha ngahi whaunga ke tau whakalakai.
Koe ngahi effects ko ne o ku hanga koe tangata ko o ai koe ke whakatupa e climate change. Koe ai koe no hanga koe o tutu koe a whi koe ai vewe me alu koe ai kona koe ki tua mamani. Ani hanga whakatupa mai ne hanga ia o ai e tahi ke hao koe o whakapui koe ai whangaki whanua. Koe whaunga koe ke tau ke nau whakasisi o mea koe ni. Kono tala ke nau toke nau ilo e mea climate change ka tau tolu. He koe nau ilo pe te nau hanga lewa whakasisi. Koe ki mua koe ku whili koe e ku whekumi koe ki he climate change. Ne ki koe ilo au ia e ne ngahi mea e whai ki tongani. Ka koe taim koe koe ilo iai. Te ulawa leo ke whakasisi e ngahi mea te whai ki taawhia ki. Malo Pito.
Malo Pito, paspasi mai Miss Havelu Rugby, Tensia Fawese Po'oi. Hoko mai ko Miss SNS USA Store ko Alini Wakalahi. Ailini na whahokofoko presentation e moni te e kaweinga koe family. Whaiange hau whamatala ki ha mea o makehe ai e tau definition ko ia tau toltonga ke family mo ia i ngahi whanua lalahi ko ia tō pureanga. Pe koe wesi te.
Malo au pita ke he whehui, ko e ku tui mo whakakaukau ki he whehui koni o mai. Ko mea ku makehe ai family tongani he ku kei whakaapapa i pe he whanau e mātua. Ki he tausio pe ki he whanau i muli, lahi e mo veu pe a i ke lava he mātua o pule i e whanau. Ka kou whia kou tupa kei tongani, lava ke u sio whia e ohi ake koe kita i tongani o kumakehe au pito ia. I kai ngata pe he whakaapa ka e lava ke to e wao fe whanau pe to e meli nong e no foi tongani mo nau family. I kai ngata pe he family fa foi tui kau te kau mei ngahi family pe he hange ko kau ngā api pe hange pe o ku nau tau taha pe o tau family katoa pe malo ampito.
Malo Pito, paspasi mai ko Miss SNS USA Store ia Alini Wakalahi. Miss Lady Maria, Tonga Australia, mele loto mo a se taita Tukia.
Apa? Tu Maya.
Miss Lady Maria, ko whehoi ko ia ki e whiawhini, nei whahoko ko presentation i he sipoti, i he aho moni te. Ko ia ngā whanua who ke ua o ku i he title ko ia ho hingoa, ko i whawhawhonga e Australia pa motongani, Lady Maria. Ko hanai ha whaunga whakalele o spoti a Australia, o ke pehe ton ke pusi aki i mai, e ni i ko ia kau tak whakalele spoti i tongani, ke whakalele ake spoti o tau whanuani.
E spoti ko ia o ku lava ko ki whakalele ko i Australia ke lava pusi aki mai ki tonga hangi ko ia ko e tāpulu mo e Pem Newtoni, so yeah. Malo apito.
Paspasimay, Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia, Melelo Tomua se taita Tukia. Hokomai ko Mr. Proxys New Zealand, Lilieta Imakweta Fisihoy. Mr. Proxys, you presented on youth on Monday, and youth is an international issue. Your question lies, are we doing enough in Tonga to help the youth? If you answer yes, why? No, why?
Thank you for that question. I don't think that we're doing enough for our youth, and I feel that we should organize a program so that our youth can get together to avoid any fights and things like that. And yeah, Malo Pito.
Malo Pito ko Mr. Proxys New Zealand, Lilieta Imakweta Fisihoy. Katak paspasima Miss Post Fashion, Luana Susana Fifita. Miss Post Fashion, Luana, you presented on politics on Monday. What's your opinion on politics in Tonga today?
Thank you for the question. My opinion about politics in Tonga, I don't know much about politics in Tonga because I stay in New Zealand. But from what I've heard and what I've seen is that the politics in Tonga maybe needs a bit of improving. I come to Tonga every year. I've been coming to Tonga every year since I was about 9 or 10. And I've been to other islands, and it's sad to say that Tonga is not the nicest out of the islands. And I think that the government needs to do more to help the people of Tonga and Tonga in general. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Post Fashion, Luana Susana Fifita. Kata kyo paspasi mai ko Miss Vila Isadora Mele Lupevete. Lupe, on Monday you presented on health. What could be done to improve the health of Tongans?
Thank you for your question, Malo Alpito. E taimika ko whakaukau ke mo ilelei tonga ni ko whakaukau ke whangi motu iki. Whangi motu hange ko nua papu pe ko matamaka pe ko whangi motu iki ko i haapai. Pe ko whakaukau ke whaunga ko nau alwai o ngawe ake toileti, hufanga tapu. O ku kei lahi pe u wheitu u kai whangi toileti ponu. Pa ko tui ka pau te talawa ngawe. Ke tau ngawe ke hangai toileti that's cleaner so it could be sanitized. And we can have cleaner water in our villages. There's so much to say about improvement here in Tonga, and something else that I think is important is we need to offer counseling for our youth and also people who are going through identity crisis and stuff that are going through mental health. We need to offer counseling to them as well because we have a lot of our population, we have whakaletis and people who are growing up who need to be acknowledged in society and who need a place to go for counseling because we can't talk about it in our culture. So I think those are just a few things we could improve on health-wise, but I think what's priority is that we accept everyone, whether they're different, whether they're whatever they may be, we need to accept them health-wise so they don't go through these mental health struggles on their own, and we need to offer support and also to provide a cleaner and more sanitized bathrooms and cleaner water to our smaller islands who are far away and they need access to these things.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Ms. Vila Isadora Mele Lupevete. Kata kyo paspasi mai Ms. Tonga Tourism Ane Ofapolu. Ane na ke whahoko whoko presentation he amoni teo whekau aki ni pia mo e whalealea ko ia o Tonga. Ko e whaonga whalealea lolo Tonga whoki na tauliliu he wafe hongo fulu. Ko hānai ho wakai ki he Tonga koe koe tau whalealea o tonu nai ke whakatoko lahi hono whaonga pe whakatoko sii pa ko hānai ho uhinga ki ai.
Malo au pito, koe tuunga ko ke he taimini o ku toi toko lahi ange he taimini i he wanoa hongo furu. Pea koe ti tali pe ke whehoi koe ni o whe mau pe ke toi whakatoko lahi. Aki pe o ku iai pe anga he te whakatata aki pe e mau aha apai. O ke pe ngai tuunga u te kai ke whakalele i ha apai he taimi koe ni. Pea ku toi whe mau pe ke toi whakatoko lahi mai. Na iai pe haaonga e toko ni ange ki he whanua. Pea toi iaha toi tuunga toi whakalalakange amuiang. Ko iai pe malo.
Malo au pito o paspasi mai ko Miss Tonga Tourism ia ane o Whapolo. Malo au pito ane. Koe tau whina mui hono hoko ko ia i he whiawhini ko Miss Langakari e vai ko Puna Primrose Malekamu. Primrose, you presented on Monday on the topic of tourism. Tourism is dubbed to be everyone's business. What could be done to improve Tonga's tourism?
Thank you for the question. One of the core elements to tourism development is community involvement. Involving the community so they can have a voice in tourism development is key. Involving the people so they can be excited to be part of tourism, to promote Tonga to the best of its ability that it can be. That is how I would involve the people in tourism development. Very important. Tonga is a place that was given to God. And so embedding that in the people that they already know, helping them realize that this Tonga is the jewel of the South Pacific. And for them to know why would we promote Tonga and why people would love to visit Tonga. Thank you. Malo pito.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Miss Langakari vai ko Puna Primrose Malekamu. Kataki tau taltalma ke funga Stacy i he whiawhini ko Miss Proxys Tonga New Zealand kalo loko tui fungantau. Mr. Proxys, Tonga New Zealand, you presented on Monday on the topic of history. How does our history help tourism?
Thank you for the question. So as I said in my presentation, our history defines who we are, but it also gives us a pathway to be able to better understand why we're in the places and situations that we are in that time, but also where to better move in the future. So by understanding our history, not just from the stories that are popular, which are usually stories written by a white man, rather understanding the histories that have been passed down through our generations, through our oral histories. Those are the ones that are important, not necessarily the ones that are written down, because there are so many bits of important history that only can be passed down from generation to generation. So a story that was told by my great-great-grandmother that then got passed down to my mother and then is passed down to me. Things like that help to define all of the little nuances that make us Tongan. And in that case, that's what will help define the type of tourism that we have, because we don't want to be just like any other Pacific nation, because currently that's all the rest of the world sees. They just see Tonga as another island in the Pacific. But Tonga is not just another island in the Pacific. We are a kingdom. We have a rich history that is defined differently from that of others. So what we really need to be doing is maintaining the stories that I would call history that has been passed down to us through our family lineage. That's what we need to hold on to, and that's what we need to be presenting to the rest of the world, because that makes us stand out, and that's what's going to push us further out from the rest of the Pacific Islands, and that's what's going to put Tonga on the map for tourism.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Process, Tonga, New Zealand, Kalo, Lotui Pumantao. Pea koe whine moi whaosi koe ke tau stage interview I he whia whinika take o paspasi mai si ai lompe au tuipulotu Miss Whale Watching. Ko sia foki ko ne kawenga ko ia he ao moni tēnā ne toi toho I pe ia o whekau aki pe moi Whale Watching. Sia ko kawenga ko Whale Watching. Tau pehepe ko whakatu ko ia he eikpare mia ke minista tak mamata. Ko ha fo uraki lao whekau aki mo tofua a te ke whakatu ki he kabineti. Ke whahu ko ki wharearea. Whekau aki mo tofua a. Mono mamata ko e tofua.
Sai, malo a pito wheu I. Ko pehe, ko lao ko e whakatu ko ki he kapau ko minista au o whakatu. Teu pehe, o totonu ke whamamawhai e mamata tofua a ki o tau whanua, koe lao peki ai ke oa whakahengi I e tofua a. Pea toi hoko a ke oku lahi e ngahi lao ki ai, ka teu lava si I atu peki ai, he ku si I e taimi. Pea koe hoko, whaosi ia. Whenga tonga ke tau. Hiki ake ho tau ki whanua ke hatunga ulele ange. Pea koe lao peki ai. Tonga masani.
Malo au pito.
Malo.
Koe whawha whaosi a kata ko paspasi mai Miss Whale Watching sia I lompe au tuipulotu. Pea koe lau kakato whoki a stage interview ko ia ki he whiawhini. Pea moi kau whine moi e toko hong fulmanima ki he whiawhini. Aia ko nā weipā ko ia ki he kalauni o he lala wawhe tahavalu. Ko kore heni ki he DJ ke kātaki ko Mao Maria mai ai kau whaiva ko ia PJ Masani Entertainment. Ke mo kātaki o lava mai ke whunga Stacey. Kātaki peho mo mogosia wholoa he whiawhini. No tonga koe mak loloa e proklama. Keke toi whaloloa, tau tari e whunga Stacey. Paspasi mai, PJ Masani Entertainment.
Y la cosa suena, y la cosa suena. Scooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo, y el bombón.
Hange pe ko ia mo mea I he whakahoko ko e polo kalama ko lava, ko os. Ko e tō whatongia ea kau whine mui wanoa tahavalu, wanoa tahahiwa. I e nau whawhotunga e whunga Stacey. Ko e whakaari makehe, hiri ko ia. Pe toki whoaki rewa e ola. Neongo ko ngari ma uloloa ai po ka oku mahino pe ai whiewhia mo tō whatongia e tonga hono kotoa pe ke poupou ke eki tokon pare mia e otu tonga. I he ngahi mā I moa ko ia mahino ai whakawhiewhia. Ko e tau olunga whakatonga me whunga Stacey ke whakaholo aki ai mea e matanga kai umaa ai kau whawhe whalanglangi. I he whunga Stacey e kwakaiat ki o nau teunga tau olunga, koe teunga tau olunga ai tonga ke kau whine mui, tupenu uri, pea whakahapai ai hoe ki tangata, pea moho nau vesa maire, ka uma ho nau teke teki, mahino pe koe tula whare. ko e whakameite ia o e lolo tongani. I he taim ta tau pe hange ko e ko whakalawelawe ane nai. Ai kau whakawhe mai kau aahi. I he lolo tongani i he te pire koe o mau whakautua atua e koe ta whaki whakahihifo ia o e Whunga Stacey. Pe aku kou fia foki ke o taritau a taritari lelei a Folaurepa. Ko e tahai e kau ofisa mo ui e tau potunga ue mo ui. Tanga ene wakai tau ataina ke whakaholo mamata mo talu ene whanonga mai perimisro hoi fua e tau wanoa taha wala wanoa taha hiva. Te eni po ia. Ko whaamu ke o whakaeke ke a Folaurepa. Folau, pehanga ho ngoi ho wakai. I he whanonga mai ko eni o e wanoa tawalu wanoa iba. Ka te wange pe kono huse paniti. Atu kia matamu a e whawhehui. Ko hanga ho wakai ki he whakariari e kauwhine mui ki he wanoa tawalu wanoa tahaiba.
Malo koe whanongo koe he tari whehui kai tatau te whito ke ngai whehui koe i he climate change. Ko tohinga o whelaawe ia pe moe ngā aue o lolo tonga whai i tongan i he potunga aue koe e Meidek kai pehe fo ke ta whai koe ki he climate change. Ke whanongo koe ki he tari koe whehui o koutui pe nai tonu nai whie mau pe ke nau toi ki i whakatotolo ke toi ki i lo loto angi e nau i lo. He koe uhinga koe climate change ia koe i siu whakamamani lahi ka aku la vea ia tongan. I kai ke lava e he kau misi ke nau whakamatalai koe hae paloparema ko ku hoko i tongani. Ilo e nau tole mea ko hoko ko i mamani ka kai ke lava ilo koe hae mea hoko ko i tongani. Ko hono wa ko isiu ko whilawei pa mo chenda development o ku kehe pe ai chenda i muri pa mo chenda i tongan. Ko hono uhinga ko chenda ia o te kai ke define ia i tongan i pe koe ha hono uhinga. Ka koe mea koe ke tau manatu i ko tongan ia koe tau culture pa mo tau custom pa mo tau nofo akainga. Ko ia o ku mau luta i iPhone noa. O ko tuipe. Fia mau ke nau te whakatotolo ke te lahiange. Ilo ke umukanga whakafonua. Fualoa fo ke nau nofo muri. Fia mau ke nau tānoa ke nau mātua. Tānoa ke tuku whakaholo. Talanoa ki he. Whilawei pia moi whahu. Tuonga ane. Hake koe tuo whiwhine. Pa moi tau whilalawei. Aio koe talanoa ke tau culture. Pea, o ko tui ka pau i hoko atu pea ngā whi au hikoni he misi ka toi whakaloloto angi a ilo i he climate change pea ko tui e toi aonga. Mantu, koe climate change ia koe ongo fwoi matapala lahi e ua. Uraki, o kusio atongani ki he renewable energy pea ko toi iwi o toi whakafo au pea ko hono ua. Koe ngahi adaptation ki hono whakahauwhi o i whanua me whakatamaki whae natula. Hake pe kon koe langa fōsoa i he matatahi pa moe tō akau. Koe mea ia kou hoko koe i tongani. I kai ke ulawa au ke u whanongo o kuhanga hataha o whakaha i mai ai ongo whakaukau maho inga koe ni. Ka koe move ia ai purianga. Ai o kunau whakafuafua koe au ki he ta ua noa tō noa o kulawa e tongani ke nau hanga o reduce angahi mau koe ni ai hape sete ni manoa. Ka lawa ke nau mau ai tā keti whakawhanua ki he climate change pa moe whiliuriwa ki a ea. Malo.
Malo au pito e toki au konga ia e polokalama ai valofito poininima e whaema neongo taulotonga whatatari ki hono whakamau i o e kau whine mui pia i he taimi tataupe o ke ai whoki ai whakaamo ai polokalama ke o ato ai whakataranoa ki e taha ia o e kau ai mai kau whalau me tō pole anga koe po waki pe ki he tō whatongia ai toko ni ek pare mi au tonga.
ia i he ngahi hala la lahi ko ia tongani. Nau tau hea tonga ke maa mo masani o kwa ia whamalo ma wahe ka te mautolo. Ka e tau te whito ke ngahi aho katoanga koe ni o nuku alofa. O toi lahi ange foki ai vewe ia i nuku alofa e taimi pehe se ausi. Ko ia kwa hano whamalo ia nau tolu koe nuku nau whahoko hiko vewe koe ni.
Tau whamalo be ka paulo moi la tu. Pe moi live stream ko ia ulo ton whahoko atu e taimi ni i he pesi ko ia o Facebook. Tonga Broadcasting Commission live stream ia i he YouTube. Pe poki Broadcom Broadcasting me valfito poini mai fema. Pe pehe ki leteo tonga i he taimini. Whamaro kana tolko ia i he holo he taimini. Tale eva bar services whamaro to munga we pe poki ki Robian Services i Boni.
Ia e whamalo ma wahe ki he kainga tonga ko ia se aspia mei tu opure anga tau kau whataha i he whiawhini. Ka e tautau te whito ka te nau tolu ko ia o tuko nau taimi, ka e pehe ke whamole ke nau paanga, ka nau wholau mai ko ia ki tongani, o kau mai ko ia ki e proklama wike hei lala o e wafe tahavalu, o kwa ia e whamalo ma wahe, ko huia ko maulava mai, ko no kei teke mai moa ko ia o e hei lala, pe mai katoanga hei lala. Ko e ngahi mo miniti pe fok me heni e siasi ko e hokoko ko e tau proklama, o guamnaki ke whahoko ko e lea whamaloeni, ai fefine o kune tau hui ko ia ai kalauni wike o hei lala me he tau kosia wafta hafitu wafta havalu pe mone formalo ko huia ko nga finga ako to na hoko i foi tau e taha ko ni na hoko ai ko miss hei lala o kamnaki ke hoko mai ki ai he tau proklama ko e fiafini
Ko ia salo te ko tau fia ko toa kakato poni tau taha kakato ni fafufonga tonga ni ko ambastoa ki tongani, ki e paswiki, ki mamani furibe. Kau e taimeni ki tau whamalo hene whaipatongia ko ia. Ko e hata dolu ki te whakahoko. Ko atu e talo munu mo e whamalo. Kako e whaingmarin mo ona.
Ia taim tatau whoki o kwhai ai pe ai whamalo ia ko e kei mea hene e whawhalanglang ko ia o e poni. Ka ko e ikpalemia ko ia tonga. Honorable Samuel Aklis Pohiva, kai pehe ki ho ignisa ko ia kapneti, pe a moi kau whawhe mau inga o tau kau whakataha i he poni, ko e kei mau inga ia i pe i he pātolo aki koe ni, o e mai moa ko ia o e hei lala pe o whaihono whamalo ia. Ko e ngahi kulup ke ke fok se asna tau kau whakataha e wikeni, o i kai ngata pehe kau whine mui, kai maa fok e ngahi kulup whaiva, kai pehe foki ki he longa i whanau me ngahi tukui kolo, aia ko tau kau whakataha i e wikendi ka kato hono teke ko ia pa hono whai ai e katoanga hei lala ko knau toli au whai hono whamalo ia ko ia i ahoni lo tonga ko ia e tau tautari ke ngahi proklama ko i hoko mai. I taim tatau whoki kua ka kato ai whamau ai ngahi whamau ko ia ko whahoko e he kau whamau ki he ngahi whiauhi ko ia o i wikendi Pea pasi atueni ki e kau ngawe ko ia o e atita. Ai ag no whahoko e atita mo tau tautari ai pe ki e whaongo mai e taim ko ia e mau maria e ola ko ia i he whiawhini.
Kei e salu ko e taim pe e whoki e bakwangi motol me mai koe na me apina. Malo, whamalo at ka motol katoa. Ia mo me mai he poni ni mo uko o si mo i tauni ka kato. Ko e tau sio e ni a ngahi minitpe. Ko hai. E ikuna. Misei lala wano tawalu tahiba. O koe ta me me tahapok sarote. Ko e ta uni o whakak magitonga ni a Miss South Pacific. Kau ta whamalo ki TJ. Malo abito kau tangata e whaipatungia. Tui maha voi tahe na tau ki ai e mo tatari e be. Thank you, boys. Malo lawa. Tunggu imah ki foi mea hena.
New York City. Wine and get jiggy and shake up your wrist.
By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down. When we remember Zion.
We're about to get wild.
By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down. When we remember
Polo kalama whamafola o e hauani, hange pe koe mō mea i. Koe whakawhiawhia ni a mo e ngahi i o wau malaria me loto nuka alofa i he taimini. Koe lolo to ngādi. Ka pau mō mea mai pe ki he ngahi whasi kou tuka te taimini. YMCA, mahino pe ko ia pe kui loto nuk alofa i he holo whakamanatu. Pau ke hiki ni mai ki o lunga, hono ni ma YMCA, pa koe ngai whakapuripuri a loto nuk alofa ke te tā whakapuripuri ai YMCA. Whaka fia au pito. Neongo ngari ma uloloa, koe toi ni mai ni ke tahaua tu o. Kau mahino paupuki ke whakamau ia. Ke whakamau ia ke maurere i pia sivi kolontini i pia ave ia ke potungai mo ui ke nau sivi mai. Kau ngā ke maa mo hauhaua. Lorotonga koe e nau fia whakakohu mai e fuumea whakakohu ia ke loto holo whakamanatu. Tau manata toki Blue Pacific e taimi ko te tiskoa e o hanga ke si o ata whakakohu mai a ngahi mea whakakohu ka koe whakatalanoa koe ni me loto nuk alofa ke mea pene whawhalanglangi kei whakamaunga tonga kotoa koe whakatatari ki he ola oi si vei pae ka whine mui peneongo na ia ngahi te pire na nau kakato ane nai pe ia wa me ke taimin ka taho ke ngai fasi pa ka e fia pa puri taha pe kiloto ke faianga disco mo fanga hula kai tangu to tonga me mi pa tak taho kasi hono mari pe to foki mai kio nau te pire pe kai ko e anga ia o fia mo maalari Pag tabebia ko tapos ito ko weekend ko pakailonga iya pakaho pakahipo ho tauhau pakaya hakito halaya kononga mahino ko king alu pehe fia o aho pakahipo ho tauhau pamalo iya foki ngahi ko patongia ngahi ba ako to ape ko Polo whamanatu ko yung salote, kay ke blaba whaka matala, ay loto nga ko iya, o loto nga ko iya, holo whamanatu ko yung salote, ay nga o whaka pia, kaya mo nga o whaka foto nga whai, ko hinga he ko pinautolo ko to ape, oku i lotoni koe whiawhia mo e maalari i polo kalama o e whiawhini. Koe tisi kou pe mo e tau olunga, te waki pe mo e whakaongo, koe uhi, ke omieola o e veipa e kauwhine mui ke wanoa taha balu, wanoa taha hiva. Tapa pepia, malama ke o bakae pe loto dance floor, pe ko loto holo whamanato punsalo, te mahino pe o kuiai ai kau helo ia i he malae o e whaka eke mei toa pure anga, kai umaa, aki nau toku malama ke o bakae ka salote here tarilo, kai umaa ki nau tolo kotoa pe, ia teknautolo koto ape. Te wang peka salote hele tarilo. Salote. Pepe hanga o bakai ke he wike he lala wanoa taval wanoa tahe.
Malo pito mau pai ngamari. Masan ya to. Pene masani. O kunehanga toho aki ai taki mama tame topure koe ku bakai ke wike hei lala o e wape tambalu o ikai beke to loi ai ma ui ai potunga au e tak mama ta I hono teke, mo lango tā, ko ui ke lava o attract, ai kau polau me tu apure. O i kai ko kakai tonga pe, ka ki tu apure anga kakai mudi. Pea kou pehe, tonu pasika, tonga masani. Pea kou whamalo au ki he tangata eiki paremia, pea pehe ki he minister potunga au. Malo e ai hiki pure anga. Malo no teke ai whanua. Pea koe ngā we kou sia, i e wakai whapoitutu. O kukaka ki o lunga ai ngā aue ai takumantu. Pea i e kutoutou lere mai e wiki mai tau ki e polokalama o i wiki hei lala. Kange koe lau. Kou lata iau he kuton pasika no ingoa koe tonga masani. Masani, masani, masani.
Salote o ku fiefia e polokalama e palupitu po nima e whaema a Katarina Tohi ke mauma u whainga maari e mokoe. Malomu e puke puke fuawhataungia pa ku i he taim tata u pefo ke koe ngari i whemo e kina o e whiawhini. Ngari i whemo kina e whiawhini ko uhinga koe aha o penia o e fiefia. Aha o penia e to o whatongia makehe. Pea mo ki nau tolu ko toa pesi ngahi mātua. Ko ki nau tolu pe e kau pou. Ko ki nau tolu ko omi e nau kau whine mui. Ko uhi, koe ngaha o kau ene he ngahi e whiawhi whangalo ngā taa au pito. Mahino pe ko whae tangata, ko mehikitanga, ko tokoua ai whae. Ko tunga ane, ko tuo whewhine, ko ki nau tolu pe e whiawhia. Ka i he loto dance floor, pe ko e whaianga tau o lunga, holo whakamanatu ko i a kurisalo te mahino pe. Koe ke toi lava o i a puke. Ko ki nau tolu ko toa pe ko nau mea mai ki holo whamanatu kurisalo te o ku nau i he dance floor ko i whiawhia. Pe au ku ato ai e whakamalo. Ngai momeni tipe me heni, o te ola ia e whakahoko e kau whine mui, ka koe taimini, koloa peke tau ki whakailonga i a e whiawhini, pea mo e whakawhiawhia koe ia o tau mao, pea mo e polokalama o e wike he lala masani, koe taha eni o e toko taha na e whataki mai e fuawhatongia a e ngahi fuawhatongia ko ia pia mei he takmamata atonga mo e tokon eik pare mia pa ko e tokon lahi foki ki a Saslavaka mo e fuawhatongia ai whatongia ko e announcer pe he kei te toi whakaloloa te uange peki ai ko hae ne wakai ko ia weni ke whakama opo ko ia whangatupu e pōni ko koe uku ke mene i heni holo whakamanato ko insalote ko hae anga ho wakai ko tui pe make he ange tauni ke o atwa ki whakamatala ki mamani Filipe ki anga tu unga wike he lala wano tahavalu wano tahi
Malo au pito ko e wakai ko he whiawhini ki he polo ko ni ai katoanga wike he lala aia ko e whakaosinga ia o te auhi pia mo ngahi katoanga e wafu tahavalu oku whiawhia au pito ai matanga. Pea i kai ngata pe i he tau tangata ko ia oku kei aluhake. Kai pehe foki ki he ni ihi koko nau ki whamatuotua. Ai ko pehe pe ko e tau kotoa pe i hao whangani oku nau whiawhia. Maari e whasi pea whiawhia kau whewhine oku nau kau ki e pe auhi hoi hoi fua ko ia o e wike hei lala ua whetahavalu. Pehe ke nau kau pou pou, pe pehe ke ani ihi ne nau wholau mai mei muri, lava mai mei ngahi otumoto e tahi, pe pe ngai whetu ke pe i tonga tapuni, koe omi pe ki ono paotoloaki ai katoanga whakawhiawhia aia o whahoko i he tau kotoa pe. Paku tau whamalo ai ki he potu ngawe taki mamata mo nau kau ngawe ko hi pohono whakatūtū ha polo kalama whakaofo ofa aia ne kamata me he aho sāpate e whiaf sāpate o au mai ki he pōni pea tau fia whakalau maari e whasosiale mo oni pe lau tonga masani tu a ofa atu.
Nini koutou pe i he taim tatau pe, ko koe me he potungau e tak mamata, ko au ne talufe me he tawhaaki o e reti o ku ta lawe i ai whai kehe o e ahoni, whakawhehoanaki me he ngahi tau ko hili. Whai ange hao whakaroto lahi ke ngahi kau taha wha business ko toa pe i maman furi pe, ofa mai, ke nau kau mai.
Mahalo au pito neta. Ko tui ka pau o ku wakai mai ngahi pisnisi ko ia i maman lahi i he YouTube pe ko mo whanongo mai i he ngalu ope teu pehepe you missing out ko hui ko i katoanga ko ni to makehe me tau ko osi pe ko lawe i pe ko e wafe taha hiwa e to e masani ange pe ko iai whawhe a te tonga ko toa pe me siapa ni ki Amerika, Kanata, ki Siaina. Hihi fo hahake. O tumote tahi. Toke lau mama o haupe ki eua. Mo kataki. Teu ki he katoanga ta ofo ou. E toe. Hiri o ai masani atonga. Malo.
O falahi atu, malo e fo fatongia pe me he potungau e o e tak mamata. Kai he taim tatau pe, tau wakai ai ke ongo MC o e whiawhini.
Mo e tonga ko toa, mo toro popo mai. Tau ngawe ake ai live stream i he Tonga Broadcasting Commission i he YouTube, bebe poki ki he Facebook, i hono ngawa ki koia ai account a paula la tu moi. Ki oat whakatahai be mo e Broadcasting i he walfitu poini mai whema he retio, bebe ke retio Tonga. Tal fifia ki motoru mo me mai me murina. Pamalot ka motor me murina ku mo lava mai he tau ni. Tau ka hau tau hangat ke ai. Ke to be ngai fatongia. O wai ai konga taha hoik me kainga ko e ki i ho whahoa atu pe taimin ke ho koka te tapor kalama. Ai kau mai ko ia. Ai mate matonga ko e popou fefeka au pito ia. Ki tapor kalama ko ia e poni. Pako vie whakahoko atu. Ai vie no be mo tua tuani i he taha kau popou malohi taha i he mate matonga. Ko e eik paremia. Pe kune tu he poni ai fulani ko ia. Oi mate. Mo paspasi mai. Samuela Agris Pohiva ko e mate matonga i he ni he poni.
Hage koe ne whawhailoa ki atu ko hokoka te tau proklama o amnaki ke whahoko ai ko e lue whaosieni ai whine mui aia nā nei kona o e kalauni ko ia heilala o aftaha fitu o aftaha walo Miss Heilala 2017-2018 Miss Ophelia Kitiliti Kava will take her final walk as reigning Miss Heilala. Let's welcome her on the stage.
Whakahoko e ango MC wani. Koe me a kune poke ai kalauni me he wano a havalo Miss Ophelia.
First and foremost, it is with genuine thankfulness that I give all glory and integrity back to our Heavenly Father for His countless blessings He has granted upon me and my family, for the courage, faith, and strength to succeed my reign. Miss Heilala was always a setup that I wished upon
hoping one day this will turn into reality. But even I didn't know what an amazing, life-changing year I was in for. I truly believe that this was the right time. With God's plans for me, I knew that I could be true to myself and empower a beautiful young woman out there that you don't have to compromise to get ahead or to become Lala. My journey has been filled with responsibilities, opportunities, and unforgettable experiences. Despite the trials that came with it, I am so grateful that this title has humbled me in so many ways. I've educated more of myself, our culture, and my true identity as a Tongan. I thank God that not only have I been taught how to be independent, but I've also been molded into a better person today. I'm proud to say I've been prepared for the future, and every moment of my reign has become a commemoration that I will cherish forever. In other words, as to my stunning 15 Miss Lala contestants this year, you are all winners tonight. And as said from the first day of your journey together,
that crown. Once again, Miss Ophelia, to please lead the girls on stage once again. The 15 contestants before. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hand on this evening's prize giving.
Aunaki na wa mai ma fa malo ai be ki eli sport ni ma ko ya valeri programa TCC Limited. Ki platinum sponge. Mau pas pasi mai ngahi minitsi I meheni ko hai kine mau e ka hoi hoi fu e pas peki
E kau he whiawhini, ko e hauan na tau tatari ko toa ki ai. Ka ko kore whenga maria ko ni ke whahoa ASEAN ai Ektokon Paremia, ke katake o mea mai o tokoni ki hono whahoko ko ia ai... He does that? Missy does that? Okay, Missy does it, right?